Most people buy a Porsche for the badge, but German engineers hide a parallel universe of shortcuts, emergency overrides, and performance loops directly inside your car, and they purposely leave them out of the main menu. From a physical sequence that tricks your PDK transmission into instant manual clutch drops, to the hidden race climate protocol and the emergency power bypass that saves $500 towing fee when your battery completely dies. If you are just turning the key and driving, you are only using half the car you paid for. Here are 10 secret Porsche functions only known by 1% of drivers, and exactly how to use them right now. Number 1. The PTK paddle neutral trick. Pulling both paddle shifters simultaneously while moving instantly drops the PTK dual clutch transmission into neutral. Allows you to rev the engine to clear its throat coast smoothly or safely disconnect the power instantly without moving your hand from the wheel. Number 2. The Smart Lift GPS memory. On models equipped with front axle lift, you don't have to press it every time you approach your steep driveway. Once activated manually, the GPS automatically pins the coordinate and auto-lifts the nose every subsequent time you approach the exact spot, protecting $3,000 front splitter completely autonomously. Number 3. The 20-minute rest residual heating protocol. When parking in winter, pressing the rest button on climate control module after turning off the ignition locks in cabin temperature. It utilizes residual engine heat and low voltage fan to keep the cabin perfectly warm for up to 20 minutes while you run into the store without idling the engine. Number 4. The footwell fuse box emergency. If your battery dies completely, the electronic front trunk lock is trapped close where the battery lives. Pulling the red terminal out of the driver's side footwell fuse box and connecting chamber box feeds temporary power strictly to the hood latch release solenoid, bypassing a locked car nightmare. Number 5. Key fob climate and window record. Pressing and holding the unlock button on the key fob doesn't just drop the window. The key icon button on the door panel maps your precise personal climate control setting to that specific key. When two different drivers use their respective key, the car self-adjusts mirror seat and AC temp before you even open the door. Number 6. The one-sided European Euro parking light. Leaving your turn signal stuck flipped left or right after shutting off the engine illuminates only the corresponding exterior marker light. Standard German safety feature for narrow city streets, it keeps your car visible to traffic when parked parallel on pitch black roads without draining the main battery overnight. Number 7. The wiper service mode override. Porsche wipers are aerodynamically trapped beneath the hood lines and cannot be lifted up normally without scratching the paint. Turning the ignition off and immediately tapping the wipe sack downward forces the arm to sweep into vertical hold patterns, allowing safe plate replacement or winter prep. Number 8. The load cold start hack. Turning the ignition key to position 1, manually pressing sport mode button before cranking the engine over. Forces the exhaust valve wide open prior to fuel ignition, delivering a vast deeper unfiltered cold start roll that usually requires aftermarket tune. Number 9. The under-seat secret. On SUV there are hidden structural storage drawers located directly underneath the front driver and passenger seat. Most owners go years without realizing they have custom molded space perfectly sized for passport, registration documents or variable completely invisible to the outside eyes. Number 10. The fuel cap hanger hook. The precise notch cut out on the interior of fuel door lid or plastic lid core prevented the fuel cap from dangling against the rear quarter panel during fill-ups, preventing the ultra-premium factory grade coat from micro scratches over time. Engineering is about intent. Every single button has a secondary life. If you know how to talk to the car, drop comment below with how many of those 10 secrets you actually knew, or which one you just tested out in your garage. Hit subscribe for more deep engineering breakdowns. See you in next